Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. Evaluate the following expression using formula 16a square plus 24ab plus 9b square when a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. Now 16a square we can write 4a whole square, 9b square we can write 3b whole square plus 2 into 4a into 3b. This is equal to 4a plus 3b whole square, as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now put the value a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. 4 and 3 3s are 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 16 plus 9 equal to 25, and 25 whole square is equal to 625. This is the answer of the question. Second, 4m power 4 plus 12m square n square plus 9n power 4. We can write 2m square whole square plus 2 into 2m square whole square plus into 3n square plus 3n square whole square. This can be written as 2m square plus 3n square whole square, as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now put the value when m equal to 1 upon 2 and n equal to 1 upon 3. 2 into 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 upon 3 whole square. This is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, it means 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 whole square means 25 upon 36. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. If p plus 1 upon p is equal to 5, then find the value of p square plus 1 upon p square is equal to 23. If p plus 1 upon p is equal to 5, squaring both sides, p plus 1 upon p whole square is equal to 5 whole square. This is equal to p square plus 1 upon p square plus 2p into 1 upon p is equal to 25. P square plus 1 upon p square plus 2, p and 1 upon p cancel, 2 is equal to 25. P square plus 1 upon p square is equal to 25 minus 2. P square plus 1 upon p square is equal to 23, which is the right answer of this question. Look at the question. Find the value of a square plus b square and a power 4 plus b power 4 when a plus b equal to 5 and ab equal to 4. When a plus b equal to 5, squaring both sides, a plus b whole square plus 5 whole square. A plus b whole square, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 25. A square plus b square plus 2 into 4, as ab is equal to 4 equal to 25. A square plus b square is equal to 2 plus 2 into 4 equal to 8 equal to 25. A square plus b square equal to 25 minus 8. A square plus b square is equal to 17. Now squaring again both sides, a square plus b square whole square is equal to 17 whole square. We get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 a square b square is equal to 289. A power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 into ab whole square. We can write a square plus into b square as ab whole square, as ab value 4. Now put the value of ab. a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 into 4 square. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. A power 4 plus b power 4 plus 32 is equal to 289. A power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to 289 minus 32. This is equal to 257. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. If 2ab plus 5cd is equal to 5 and abcd is equal to 1, what is the value of 4a square b square plus 25c square d square? Now 2ab plus 5cd is equal to 5, squaring both sides. 2ab plus 5cd whole square is equal to 5 whole square. This is equal to 4a square b square plus 25c square d square plus 2 into 2ab plus 5cd is equal to 25. 4a square b square plus 25c square d square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. A, B, C, D is equal to 25. As A, B, C, D is equal to 1 already given, 20 into 1, 4a square b square plus 25c square d square is equal to 25 minus 20. This is equal to 5. Which is the right answer of 4a square b square plus 25c square d square is equal to 5. Look at the question. Find the values of 503 into 503, 1005 into 1005, 904 into 904. First, 503 into 503 we can write 503 whole square. And 503 we can write 500 plus 3 whole square, as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to 500 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 500 into 3. This is equal to 2,50,000 plus 9 plus 3,000. This is equal to 25. 2,53,009. This is the answer of the question. 1005 into 1005 equal to 1005 whole square. 1005 plus 5 as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to 1000 whole square plus 5 whole square plus 2 into 1000 into 5. This is equal to 10 lakh plus 25 plus 10,000. This is equal to 1010025. This is the answer of the question. Again, question number 3, 904 into 904 we can write 904 whole square. 904 is equal to 900 plus 4 whole square, as a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to 900 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 900 into 4. This is equal to 8,10,000 plus 16 plus 7,200. This is equal to 8 plus 817216. This is the answer of the question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.